that good though so far? We're good. No, we're good. We're ready? Okay. Okay. Welcome to another mouthwatering episode of the Cannabis Kitchen. As always, I'm your host, Chef Bay, and today we're doing dessert. In today's episode, we will be making a crowd favorite, Banana Fosters, and a raw vegan trail mix cheesecake. So we'll be medicating this cheesecake with Enter Health's CBD hemp extract. I'm gonna put 50 milligrams of CBD in this cheesecake, so each person will get about 10 grams for 5 people. We wanna first start with our crust. So you're gonna want a springform pan. So you want to put a piece of parchment paper on the bottom and then snap the outside to hold on to the bottom piece, like so. I'm using hazelnuts, pecans, and almonds. So I'm just gonna put a cup and a half right in the blender. Perfect. And then about a cup, give or take, of pitted dates. All right, perfect. You're gonna want an entire orange zested. Put the zest, a little zest into your life. And then you're going to want a pinch of cinnamon and a pinch of salt. And I'm gonna do another pinch of cinnamon because I like it a lot, or maybe a little bit more. Just get crazy. All right. And then you're also going to want to add in 1/3 of the CBD oil that you would use, because I will put the rest of it in the filling. And then we're going to want to put the lid on and start this baby up. Once this is almost blended, I'm going to slowly add about a tablespoon of coconut oil into our mixture over here. All right, with a spatula, you want to take out your mixture, put it into the bottom of your pan. Dude. Now that it's all out of the blender, you just want to press it down to an even layer. Look at this, this is so smooth and perfect. Just ready for a cheesecake filling. Should look like this. Now we're gonna put it in the freezer while we make the filling. And we're gonna start by putting 2 cups of soaked cashews in your food processor. So we wanna pour those in there. And then we're gonna turn this on just to get them broken down a little bit. You want to turn your cashews into crumbs, and you don't want to pulverize them too much. So once you do that, it's time to add in the rest of your ingredients. So you'll need about 1/2 cup of coconut milk. And then about 1/2 cup of agave nectar or honey. If you want it more sweet, you can always add more honey or agave. If you want it less, you can hold back a little bit. Next, we want to add 1 teaspoon of vanilla extract, a pinch of salt, a little bit more cinnamon, juice of 1/2 of a lemon and an orange, and 1/4 of a cup of coconut butter. Perfect. And then finally, last but not least, we want to go ahead and put the rest of our hemp extract into this mixture. Perfect. So we'll put the lid on, throw this guy in there, and turn it on low.